Memory is the metal. Grief is the fire. Love is the hammer. And lies are the anvil. Saying among blacksmiths of the hollow war, the forge whispered. It was not the hiss of flame or steel, not the groan of old bellows or the crackle of burning coal. No, this whisper came from within the metal itself. Leor Vane stood shirtless before the hearth, hands slick with soot and blood. His breath misted in the cold mountain air. Before him, a hunk of grief glass pulsed faintly blue, the crystallized echo of a soul's splintered sorrow. He struck it with the hammer. Clang! A memory shivered. Clang! A name surfaced. Clang! A face, not his own, flickered in the flames. He paused, eyes burning. His fingers trembled. Behind him, a soft voice broke the silence. Leor, are you crying? Kalia stood in the doorway, wrapped in a woolen shawl too big for her small frame. Her silver eyes, always too still, too clear, reflected the firelight. She clutched a basket of herbs. I'm fine, Leor lied. He always lied. She stepped closer, peering at the half-formed blade on the anvil. You're making another sword? No, he murmured. A key for something long lost. She tilted her head, confused. You always make things for people we never meet. Because they're waiting for us. Where? Leor looked past her, past the mountains, past the war-scarred sky, where the last heart fell, where the hollow forge burned. Kalia nodded slowly, then smiled. Then I'll come too. Of course she would, even though she didn't remember the fire, even though she didn't remember dying, even though she never asked why she never bled, never aged, never broke. She was made of grief and gold and hope. And one day, when the truth came, she would either forgive him or fall apart.